Struggling to choose between Monday.com and Salesforce? Let's break down these platforms to see which one truly fits your business like a glove in just 90 seconds. First, project management. Monday.com shines with its intuitive, visual boards perfect for managing workflows, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team on daily tasks. Now, Salesforce enters the ring as the CRM heavyweight, offering robust tools for managing customer relationships, sales leads, and providing detailed insights into your sales performance. When it comes to automation, both platforms pack a punch, but in different ways. Salesforce specializes in complex sales automation, while Monday.com focuses on streamlining project workflows and team collaboration. Customization is key, and Monday.com offers a user-friendly approach, allowing you to easily tailor your boards and workflows without needing deep technical expertise. Salesforce provides unparalleled customization through its extensive app marketplace and developer tools, perfect for enterprises with specific and complex industry needs. So, who wins? If you need a visually driven, easy-to-use project management tool with some CRM features, Monday.com is your go-to. But if you're after a powerful, customizable CRM with robust sales automation, Salesforce takes the crown. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific business needs and scalability goals. What are your thoughts? Let us know which platform you prefer in the comments below.